What's up, my LP Nation? Welcome to another episode of After Effects 101. We have my small text with a nice typewriter font. If you're interested in the font is called Fragment Core, so you can download it for free. Just type it in the Google. But let's go to the tutorial. So if we have a text and we want to animate it like a typewriter machine. So for example, this is my example text.
Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
And we want to animate that text to look realistic as it was written on a typewriter machine. We should go to Effects and Presets. We should click Typewriter. So in Animation Presets, you have Animate in Typewriter. Just drag that effect on your first text and you can do it dragging it on your second text. Now, you have a typewriter effect, but it's not timed exactly to your text. You have to time it to your text or make the effect belong as you wish. So go to Text, go to Animator, go to Range Selector. You see Start. Start is here, and you want the end to be here. So you will drag it here, and you will have Start till end of the layer. Do the same for the next one. Next one should also begin here, and it's automatic. Oh, no, it isn't. Drag it here. And see where the sound ends. If you are syncing this to the sound, then yes. If not, you don't have to. But it still has to look realistic. Okay, and let's look at it how it looks now.
Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, I would even make them look a bit quicker. Like here. This. And I would drag another one like here. Let's see it now. This should be better.
Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.